Anong sabi mo?
You're the best.
How do you know?
So buy it for me.
Huh?
You buy it for me.
Because you like it. It will make you happy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what you will do na? To make mama happy naman.
I already kissed you.
What else? Diba? You do your homeworks, write properly, read properly. What else? Be good in school, right?
Yeah, I'm good at school already.
Yeah. That's what makes mama happy. No, nag-aaral ka mag-chopsticks? Bakit?
Hindi ko pa alam eh.
Tuturo ko sa'yo. Chopstickin mo yung face mo. Oh, big siopaw, big siopaw. Ah. Friends, when you grow up, what you will buy to mama naman?
House.
House, really? You will buy me house. What else?
Anything what you want.
Anything I want, really? Can you buy me a Chanel bag?
Hindi ko alam.
It's a Chanel or Louis Vuitton bag. Can you buy me?
I don't know what is that.
Or gold, diamonds? Can you buy me?
Yeah.
Yeah, really? You will get it on my Minecraft only.